to the Phys at Home. We are going to do an activity called Move Up Bowling. You are going to use your bowling technique to roll a sock ball into a water bottle bowling pin at 5 different distances. Now, the equipment you need, since I don't have cones, for my starting line I'm going to use sneakers. I have 2 sneakers that I have 3 feet away from each other as my lane to bowl. Then the sneaker that's on the right, straight ahead in a straight line, I have 5 items that I have around the house since I don't have cones. The first item is 6 feet away. It's a pair of socks. Then 8 feet away I have a flower pot. 10 feet away I have a TV remote. 12 feet away I have a pair of socks. And then 14 feet away I have another TV remote. Those are my 5 distances. Now here's how you play. You take your water bottle bowling pin and you place it at the first distance. Then you go to the starting line. You have to do 1 jumping jack before your turn. Then stepping with the opposite foot and rolling the ball on the ground, arm back and forward. If you knock down the bowling pin, you get to move it up to the next item. Then you go back, another jumping jack. Okay? Then you roll. Knock it down. You move it up. Okay? Then you come back. 1 jumping jack. Then you roll. If you miss, you have to retrieve it and come back and do another jumping jack. Okay? If you hit it, it moves up. If you hit it again, it moves up. Once you hit it at the final spot, you have to pick up the water bottle and travel safely back to the starting line, and then the challenge is over. Okay? You have 1 minute. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3,
Oh, with 5 seconds to spare. All right, that is called Move Up Bowling. What a challenge. Now, to make it a little easier, instead of having 5 distances, you can make it 4. Okay? Have fun with this. Thank you for visiting the zone. The Phys at Home.